Hello students, in this video we are going to learn ninth lesson surface area and volume of Maths 2 class 9. Just have a look to a revision. This is cuboid. We have learned in previous standards the surface area and volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. So we are going to revise those formulas first. This is cuboid. This is the length of cuboid L. This is the breadth of cuboid and this is the height of cuboid. Yes. Now area of vertical surface of the cuboid. Vertical means these surfaces. Horizontal surfaces, there are total six surfaces of cuboid. Six surfaces in cuboid. So there are four vertical surfaces and two horizontal surfaces. Yes, are you getting? So area of only vertical surfaces of cuboid is 2 into length plus breadth bracket complete into h. This is the area of vertical surface of cuboid. Yes. Next, total surface of cuboid. 2 into in the bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. Third, volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. These are the formula we have learned in previous standards. Okay. Next is cube. So this is cube. While drawing cuboid, just imagine you are drawing a rectangular box. Yes, and while drawing cube, just imagine you are drawing a square box because all the sides edges are equal of cubes, and here the opposite sides or edges are equal. Yes, in the rectangular box. The first formula of cube, total surface area of a cube. Let's consider L be the edge of the cube and total surface area of a cube is 6L square. Okay, and also you can find out the vertical surfaces of cube. Area of vertical surfaces of cube. There are four vertical surfaces and two horizontal surfaces like cuboid. Therefore, the formula is 4L square and total volume of cube is equal to L cube. So these are the formulas of cube. Next, it's cylinder. This is cylinder with two circles and height. Okay, so you have to consider the radius R and H for the height of that cylinder. Now, curved surface, first formula is curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. You can consider pi as a 3.14 or 22 upon 7, or it is given in question what is to be considered while solving. Okay. Next, total surface area of a cylinder. 2 pi r into bracket r plus h bracket complete, and third, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Are you getting? Okay, let's solve the exercise 9.1. Practice set 9.1. Question number 1. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of the box. There is a medicinal box whose length is 20 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, and height is 10 centimeter. So the surface area of vertical faces, formula of surface area of vertical faces of cuboid is 2 into L plus B into height, which is equal to 2 into L is 20 plus B is 12 into height is 10. You have to solve the bracket first. 2 into 32 into 10. Now 2 into 32 is 64 into 10, which is equal to 640. Yes, 640 square centimeter is the total surface area of vertical faces. Yes. Next, what they have told to find total surface area of a box. Two into in the bracket LB plus BH plus LH. What is length? Put the values in the formula. 2 into 20, 2 into bracket 20 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 20 into 10. Let's solve. 2 into 20 into 12 is 240 plus 12 into 10 is 120 plus 2 into 20 into 10 is 210, which is equal to, answer is 560, and 2 into 560 is 1120. So what is the final answer? Compulsory you have to write final answer. It contains half mark, and if you didn't write it, your half mark will be deducted. The surface area of vertical faces of medicine box is 640 square centimeter, and total surface area of medicinal box is 1120 square centimeter. Next example. Total surface area of a box of cuboid shape is 500 square meter. Its breadth and height is 6 units and 5 units respectively. What is the length of that box? Here the total surface area of box is given, breadth is given, and height is given. What we have to find is length. You have to write solution. The starting of solution should be like this. Okay, you have to write given data and what to find while solving the example in solution section. Okay. Let's find out the length of the cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH, which is equal. Therefore, total surface area is given 500. 2 into L we have to find. Breadth is 6. Yes, so L into 6 plus breadth is 6, height is 5 plus length we have to find, height is 5. Therefore, 500 is equal to 2 into 6L plus 30 plus 5L. Therefore, this 2 move to this and other side of is equal to sign, multiplied by 2 become divided by 2, which is equal to 6L plus 5L is 11L plus 30. Therefore, 250 is equal to 11L plus 30. 250 plus 30 moves to this side, minus 30 is equal to 11L. 220 is equal to 11L. Therefore, 220 upon 11 multiplied by 11 move to the other side of is equal to sign becomes upon 11 is equal to L. Therefore, L is equal to 20. The length of the cuboid is equal to 20. Okay, are you getting understood? Okay, let's move there. Here you have to write the answer. Therefore, the length of cuboid is 20 units. Okay. Okay, chalo. Next example. Side of cube is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of a cube. What is solution? Side of a cube, L, edge, yes, is equal to 4.5 centimeter, which is given. Surface area of vertical face of cube, formula is 4L square. Surface area of vertical face of cube formula is 4L square. Therefore 4 into 4.5 square. Yes, what is 4.5 square? Let's calculate 4.5 into 4.5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22, 0, 4 5s are 20, 0, carry 2, 4 4s are 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 5, 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1 plus 2 is 20. So this is the after point. There are total 2 digits, so you have to leave 2 digits from last. 20.25, which is equal to 2 into 20.25. 4 into 20.25, 4L square, no? Therefore 20.25 into 4, 4 5s are 20, 0, carry 2, 4 8s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0, carry 1, 4 0s are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 4 2s are 8. Here answer is 81.00 square centimeter. Are you getting how to solve? Yes. Next next we have to find total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube, which is equal to 6L square. 6 into 4.5 bracket square. What is 6 into 4.5 bracket square is 20.25. So 20.25 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 0, carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 5 carry 1, 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 6 2s are 12. 121.50 square centimeter. So here you have to write the final answer. Surface area of vertical faces of cube is equal to 81.00 square centimeter, and total surface area of a cube is equal to 121.5 square centimeter. Are you getting? Okay, let's move to the fourth example. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces of a cube. Total surface area of a cube is given. Yes, and we have to find out the surface area of the vertical faces. So firstly, we have to find out the value of L square. Yes, because it is common in the formula total surface area of a cube and surface area of all vertical faces. It is common. So let's find out 5400 into 6L square. So 5400 upon 6 is equal to L square, which is equal to 900 is equal to L square. Yes, we know that the value of L is 30 because the 30 square is 900. Yes, but this 30 you are going to find out in next formula, which is time consuming. Yes, so keep this L square as it is. Don't find out the square root of 900. Okay, and you have to put this value of L square in the formula surface area of all vertical faces of a cube. Let's see how. Surface area of vertical faces of cube is equal to 4L square, which is equal to 4 into 900 because we know the value of L square. So which is equal to 3600 square centimeter. Okay, therefore surface area, final answer, surface area of all vertical faces of cube is equal to 3600 square centimeter. Are you getting? Okay, next, fifth example. Volume of cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of cuboid is 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. So find its length. We have to find the length of cuboid where volume of cuboid and breadth and height of cuboid is given. You have to write the solution. Starting of solution, write this. You have to write given data. Yes, given data of a particular cuboid. Then what is the formula of volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Substitute the values. 34.50 is the volume of cuboid. L into 1.5 into 1.15. Okay. So there is a one shortcut trick to find out this value. See, after point there are in the volume of cuboid, after point there is 2 digits. So can you write 3450 upon 100? Yes, you can. L into 1.5 is 15 upon 10 and 1.15 is 115 upon 100. Why 100? Because after point there are 2 digits, so you have to put 1 and 2 zeros. Here also after point there is a 1 digit, so you have to put 0 after 1. 1 0 after 1. Same here. Here are 2 digits after 0. Therefore, you have to put 2 zeros after 1. Okay. Therefore, bring these two to the other side of the is equal to sign, divided by 15 upon 10 into 115 upon 100 is equal to L. So division cannot take place while solving the fraction. So you have to write down into 10 upon 15 and into 100 upon 115 is equal to L. Just remove all the zeros. Yes, what I have done, remove all the zeros. Now what? Now just see 3415 divided by 15 is it 3415 divided by 15. 15 2s are 34 5. 15 3s are 45 0 0. Answer is 230. 15 1s are 15. 3450 divided by 15 is 230. Can you see 115 ones are and 115 twos are 230? Yes. Then 2 into 10 is equal to 20, which is equal to L. Yes. Just repeat the video and see it again how I have done the calculation. Okay. So length is equal to 20 meter. So write down the final answer. Length of cuboid is 20 meter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Next, sixth example. See the sixth example. What will be the volume of cube having length of edge is equal to 7.5 centimeter? Write down the given data. Length L of cube is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So what is the volume of cube? Formula of volume of cube is L cube, which is equal to 7.5 cube. Okay, just see the calculation, which is equal to 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5. What is 7.5 into 7.5? Just see how to do calculations. 7.5 into 7.5. 5 as a 25, carry 2, 5 7s are 35 plus 2 is 37, 0, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 7s are 49, plus 3 is 52. So 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 carry 1, plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 5, 56.25. You have to multiply 56.25 into 7.5. Yes, it's a cube, no? So you have to multiply it by 7.5 again. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 2, carry 1, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 is 1, carry 3, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 28, 0, 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7, carry 1, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 1, 43, carry 4, 7 5s are 35 plus 4 is 39, 5, 2 plus 5 is 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1, plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 2 carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4. So here now you have to put point. How to put the point? After point here are 2 digits and after point here are 1 digit. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you have to 1, 2, 3. Are you getting? 4 to 1.875, which is equal to 4 to 88. 421 88 cube. Sorry, centimeter cube. Because this is the volume, you have to put cube over here. Are you getting why I have done 88? Because the centimeter meter contains only 2 digit after point. Yes. So this is 7 5. I wrote it as 8. Are you getting? Okay. Seventh example, radius of base of cylinder is 20 centimeter, height is 13 centimeter. What they have told to find? Curved surface area of area and total surface area of cylinder, and they told us to use pi is equal to 3.14. Just write down the given data. Radius of base of the cylinder R is equal to 20 centimeter and height h is equal to 13 centimeter. Now write down the formula. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r is 20 into h is 13, which is equal to 20 into 13 is 260 into 2 is 520 into 3.14. Just do it. 520 into 3.14. 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Put 2 zeros, 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 0, 8, 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 6, 13, 3 carry 1, plus 5 is 6, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, which is equal to 1632.80 centimeter square is the total curved surface area of a cylinder. Are you getting? Okay. Next next question is total surface area of a cylinder. Write down the formula, which is equal to 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. Substitute all the values. 2 into 3.14 into r is 20 into 20 plus 13. Are you getting? Which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 20, 33. 2 into 3.14 into 66. 66 2s are 66 into 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. 132 into 3.14. Let's do it. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 4 1s are 1 plus 1 is 5, 0, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Sorry. Put 2 zeros, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 carry 1, plus 9 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry 1, 14, 414.48. Here 33 into 20 is 660. So answer is 1320, and you have to multiply 1320 into 3.14. So answer is 4144.80. 4144.80 centimeter square is the total surface area of cylinder. Are you getting? Okay. Next, 8th example. Curved surface area of cylinder is 1980 centimeter square. Radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. They have given the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to 1980 centimeter square. Radius is 15 centimeter square, and we have to find out the height. Just put the formula. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. They told us to use pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Put all the values. 1980 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 15 into h. Now solve it. 1980 into 7 divided by 7, move to this side, and 2 into 15 is equal to h. Solve it. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 0. 990 divided by 50, divided by 15, sorry. 15 6 are 90, 9 0, 15 6 are 90, so 0. 15 1s are 15, 66. Okay, and 66 into 7. Put this 22 also here. Okay, 66. 22 1s are 22, 3s are. So 3 into 7 is 21, which is equal to h. Therefore, write down the final answer. Height h of cylinder is equal to 21 centimeter. Here we have completed the explanation of 9th lesson, surface area and volume. Also, we have completed the exercise practice set 9.1 answers with explanation. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share it to your friends, okay, and like my video. Put the like, press the like button. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.